In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your mojo back into needle felting. My name is Charlotte Allen and you have reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. So in today's video, I want to talk about getting your mojo back into needle felting or anything creative. So the reason I'm making this video on this subject is because I'm a member of quite a lot of different felting groups on Facebook, and I'm in a felting group in Reddit as well. So I'm in a few different groups, and I've noticed previously and recently that there are people on these groups, not just necessarily felting groups, but any kind of creative group really, that they're saying that they've lost their mojo, they've almost lost their love of the art, and they don't know how to get it back, and they really want to. I think this is a really tricky subject, and I don't think there's any hard and fast rule to get your mojo back. But what I do think, and this is just my personal opinion and my experience that I've had myself when I've lost my motivation and my want to do something in needle felting or anything like that, is just to let it lie. I really think that if you try and force yourself to do something with the hope that you'll get that kind of motivation and love back for it, I think quite often it doesn't really happen. I think it's a really organic experience. I don't think you can really force it to happen. I think you have to let it happen naturally. But I think there are ways that you can help it to happen naturally without trying to force it unnaturally, if you like. So things like looking at the beauty, taking time out, mindfulness, I think is really important. So just taking yourself away from the needle felting or whatever art it is that you're doing, don't make yourself sit down and do it, because then I think you resent it even more then. So do something else that you really love doing. And then look at things that inspire you. Maybe look on interest, not with a view to finding a new product line or something like that, but with a view just to look at things that you really love and enjoy. And I think then that is when you get that inspiration, that flash of light, and you think, actually, maybe I could make this. You kind of feel you want to take inspired action to do something, and you have that motivation back again. And it might take a little while, it might take a few days, might be quick, might take a few hours, or it might even take maybe a few months, but you will get it back. But I genuinely think if you force something to happen, it won't come back. So just let it be natural. It's like anything in life, isn't it? Now my analogies are, and a lot of my friends will say this, are a little bit dodgy, but the cake analogy of if you watch a cake, you will never see it rise, I think is very true in this situation. If you try and force it to happen, it won't happen. If you just kind of forget about it and just let it happen organically, you will then get the inspiration back and you'll get your mojo back. So it was a really short one today, but I really hope that's helped some people that have lost their mojo to not panic, to not worry. You will get it back, but don't force it to happen. Just let it happen naturally. So I will see you tomorrow with more needle felting hints and tips. Until then, have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.